Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to the first lesson in your free digital marketing course. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the opportunity in digital marketing. So let's get started. Let's look at the topics covered in this lesson. We will learn what is digital marketing. We will learn why digital marketing is the next big thing. What is our opportunity in this field of digital marketing? Who can learn digital marketing? Is it for you? Can anyone learn digital marketing? And finally, we will learn how to learn digital marketing and what is the best way to become a digital marketing expert. A little bit about me. I graduated in 2008 and started a blog called bikeadvice.in. I sold the blog in 2012. Bikeadvice.in had more than 1 lakh subscribers and it got more than 1 million page views per month. At that time, it was the #1 motorcycle blog in India, and that's where I learned most of my digital marketing skills. I've also worked as digital marketing manager at startups like Exotel, Practo.com, Instamojo.com, and Razorpay. I've been blogging at digitaldeepak.com and I write about digital marketing concepts at my blog. I'm also an author, speaker, trainer, and consultant. I recently published a book called How to Get Your Dream Digital Marketing Job, and you can download this book for free. I talk frequently on digital marketing concepts in workshops and conferences. I've been a trainer with Digital Vidya, a digital marketing company. I have consulted companies like Zivame, HomeShop18, and many other startups as well. What is digital marketing? The art of getting customers for a business via online and digital mediums is called digital marketing. Digital marketing has so many modules inside it, such as social media, search engines, email marketing, content marketing, mobile marketing, and the list keeps going on. We will learn more about it in the second lesson. Digital marketing is much more complex than traditional marketing like newspapers, TV, radio, and magazine ads, and that is why digital marketing experts are in high demand. Why digital marketing is the next big thing? What is the hype around this whole digital marketing thing? People used to consume content via newspapers, TV, radio, and magazines, right? But now people consume content via Facebook. They catch up with their friends and family on Facebook. They discover news on Facebook. Instead of TV, they watch YouTube. And instead of reading newspapers, they read blogs. This change in consumer behavior is the reason why digital marketing is on the rise. We have to advertise where people hang out, and companies need digital marketing experts to help them manage their ad campaigns. And if you are running a digital marketing agency, they will easily pay 10% of the total campaign spend on the agency fees or on the salary. India is the second largest internet user base according to Wikipedia. It is only next to China with 462 million internet users, and this is more than United States. And also another report says that internet users in India will grow by at least 5 crores every year until 2020. Digital marketing spends are huge in many developed economies, and India also it is growing very fast. For example, in US, digital marketing spend alone accounted for 37% of the total ad spending. And when you look at China, nearly 40% of all advertising spends were on digital channels. According to a report by eMarketer.com, in US alone, the total spend on search engine marketing was $33 billion and the total spend on display advertising was $34 billion. In total, digital ad spending was $72 billion in US alone. And imagine how much it will be all over the world. And India also, the digital ad spending is rising at a very fast pace. And by 2020, we will see that nearly 50% of all the marketing spend will go into digital marketing than traditional marketing. So what is our opportunity in digital marketing? We know that digital marketing is a growing field. But how can we make use of this trend and what can we benefit from this? Digital marketing can help you with personal branding, it can help you with getting jobs, and it can also help you with entrepreneurship. We can help other companies as a consultant or as an employee when we have digital marketing expertise. And we can use the digital marketing knowledge to build our own business. And you know that marketing is the most important function in any business. Now let us have a look at digital marketing jobs and opportunities in India. There are plenty of jobs in the digital marketing field in India. Because digital marketing is a new field and a lot of companies need expertise in digital marketing. There are not enough digital marketing experts in the market. And digital marketing jobs is one of the highest paying jobs in the industry today. If you go and search for digital marketing manager on LinkedIn, you will see nearly 500 to 1000 jobs all over India for this particular position. How much do digital marketing jobs pay? So I have collected some data about this from my own experience and from other sources. For freshers, the salary starts from 3.6 lakhs per year and sometimes it goes up to 4.5 to 5 lakhs per year in reputed companies. For 5 to 10 years of experience, the salary ranges from 12 to 20 lakhs per year. And for more than 10 years, it ranges from 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs per year, and in some rare cases, it even goes up to 80 lakhs to 1 crore per year. I know a person who is heading digital marketing at a company which has more than 1000 employees, and he gets paid 1 crore 5 lakhs per year just for heading digital marketing vertical. Okay, you may not be interested in a digital marketing job, but still digital marketing can help you. You can use digital marketing knowledge to build your business. You can start a side business and bring a consistent stream of income. There are many opportunities like YouTube video marketing, niche blogging, etc. You can do consulting for clients on digital marketing strategies. You can charge per hour, or you can start a digital marketing agency and serve your clients, help them with digital marketing strategies. Who can learn digital marketing? Anyone can learn digital marketing. The subject of study doesn't matter at all, and you don't need a tech background. You don't need coding skills or programming skills to become a digital marketing expert. For example, I am a civil engineer. I don't know programming or coding, but I became a digital marketing expert. You can learn digital marketing after 12th standard or during your college, or you can learn it as an experienced professional as well. There is no age limit for this. All you need is a computer and internet connection to start learning digital marketing, and I will show you how. So coming to the last part of this lesson, how to learn digital marketing. The best way to learn digital marketing is to self-learn with a guide, and that's how I did it. I got a mentor from Australia who taught me digital marketing. He helped me grow my blog from 20 visitors a day to 20,000 visitors a day. And similarly, I will be your guide for learning digital marketing. Books may not help you learn digital marketing because digital marketing is a fast changing field. The best way to learn digital marketing is from online blogs and online courses. Or you can join a digital marketing course, but digital marketing courses will cost anywhere from 50,000 to 75,000 for a normal course. You can learn from my lessons, practice and grow for free without investing anything. You can start with personal branding and a niche blog. You can create a blog for your personal brand and a blog on your favorite topic. You can start a blog, create online profiles, drive traffic to your blog, experiment and learn with your blog. And this blog will become a platform for learning digital marketing and experimenting with it. This blog may also bring income for you. Prove your expertise in digital marketing if you are looking for a digital marketing job, or this blog alone could become something big of its own. Maybe it will become a big publishing company. You will know only if you get started with it. So what to expect in my free digital marketing course? You will get an idea about what digital marketing is, which is this lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn about the different modules available in digital marketing. Digital marketing is a vast ocean and there are so many verticals inside it. I will teach you how to start your own website or online project and grow it. I will teach you how to install a domain, install hosting, set up a WordPress blog, and this will become your platform for learning and experimentation. I will also teach you how to do paid advertising, social media marketing, inbound marketing, how to do mobile app marketing, email marketing, and more. So what's next? You can go ahead and learn more topics from the free articles that I have published on my blog digitaldeepak.com. Go to my blog and click on the tab called Top Articles, and you will find plenty of articles related to digital marketing. You can join the forums for discussion, ask questions, get replies from others and from myself. I have given links to few forums below this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to mail me at mail@digitaldeepak.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.